morning, guys. So now I'm in my car and we're gonna go to Costco. Okay, I'm gonna just run to Costco quickly, pick up some things so that I can start meal prepping, because I told you guys this morning, if I didn't mention it, my apologies. I meant to mention it. I might have mentioned it, but either way, I'm gonna start breaking myself into some new habits. So I ordered me a new mouse from Apple and I'm waiting for that to come. And yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna go to Walmart and get some batteries. Well, hopefully if I can get batteries at Costco, I'll get that. If not, then Walmart it is. See, Walmart is burning up my behind. Why you wait until you get to your turning point to indicate that you're going here? I don't like it. And sir, there's no stop sign. Where you stopping for? Where are you stopping for? There's no stop sign. Woosah. I'm good. I truly appreciate you guys, and I appreciate you guys' comments and just watching my videos overall. I really do appreciate you guys. So I am on my way home. I will catch you guys on the flip side. I love you guys. Awesome.
No problem. Oh,
no problem, mate. Hold on, I gotta take off my jacket. Actually, you know what? I'll keep it on for now till the car kind of get warm up. Y'all, first of all, good morning, guys. Hold on, I'm gonna turn down this music. Good morning, guys. Sorry, y'all still see my tire in the back of my truck. I've been so lazy to go to the storage to drop it off. I've been mad lazy, y'all. So I've just been putting it off. But I'm gonna do it later today when I come back from my girlfriend's house. I'm on my way there right now and I'm sipping on some coffee. This cup says good morning gorgeous, and I got this from a FabFitFun subscription box that I got a couple of years back. It's probably like in 2018 or something like that. I've had this cup. So yeah, y'all, I know I am outside, it's mad bright. I don't know about the lighting bouncing off of here and there and everywhere, but let me just try and see if I can distract. Actually, fuck it. Let me see if I can hold it still and just be like perfect. Okay, yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go to my girlfriend's house. We're gonna she's packing to move and stuff, so I'm not necessarily going to like help her move or anything, or help her pack or anything like that. I'm not doing that because she did that all by herself already. Yo, I got some independent friends. Bitches don't need me for shit. That's cool. That's cool. Goes to show a lot about the people that I have in my circle. Y'all, it's mad bright and I don't have a sunglasses. Also because I'm wearing contacts, but I still feel like I should just put on my sunglasses, but I don't have one. But I'm gonna stop at Walmart because I do need something from Walmart before I go to her house.
just don't balance me mentally now. Must stop tell myself so me don't good enough.
Tell them move and well with them hypocrite. I'm energy on drain with the hypocrite. Trap in a bando. Too much cake for your back. Somebody ring alarm. Somebody call police.
Put it in our region. Used to if you feel like one is uneven. Wetter than the rainy season.
Right there. One of them. She want a real gangale. She want a big young body.
Baby, have you ever get a backers in the park? Make we have a walk.
Me own a lane, so the boy can't style me.
Me sit down. sit down when he sitting stand firm. Should be down in a belly, body ya wiggle like worm. Say him a go text me like a me in a midterm, but me a professional body broker from birth.
Alright guys, so I'm here at my girlfriend's house now. Y'all see me vibe, y'all see this is what I do whenever I want down. I threw on my lit playlist, and I just go in and I just de-stress. Whenever I leave my car, I'm in a good mood. Like, I play my music and I get into my own vibe, and I don't care. Like, I get into my own shit, and I've been through so much in 2020. Personally, I've been through so much shit, and I'm still going through it. Don't get me wrong. I'm still going through it, but I am not making that kind of, like, you know, bring me down sort of. I am just not. I just let it go. I just let it ease, and the music just let me feel better. You know what I'm saying? I just know that when you're stressed, you just have to find your own way to de-stress, and this is my way, and I'm sharing it with you. And I don't care if y'all judge me. That's one thing. I don't care who judges me, because at the end of the day, you judging me is not gonna stop me from being me. That's just simple. I'm inside. Yeah, jamming out to my music. Y'all already know how we do. I'm inside. My girl. It's my girl Alyssa.
Hi.
Isn't she cute?
Like you.
Isn't she stunning? Y'all, I only have cute friends. So y'all know she's moving. She used to live close to me, and now she moved far away from me, and now she decided to come right back to me. You know what I'm saying? Now she's moving closer to me again. Anyways, hush up. Ain't nobody talking to you right now. I've already introduced you. You've already had your moment. If you had something to say, you should have said it then. Now,
Hold on, you want some? You don't know spicy is my thing.
spiciest thing.
Is this hot? Though?
Okay. Oh my god, I can already see bubbles.
Is it hot though?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Is this hot though? You know I don't do hot.
You just said you like hot food.
I just say that though. Listen, I'm born Trinidadian, you know. So, we were taught to eat a lot of spice. Hot. Okay, it's not that bad. How do you bite it? Just bite
You
it
just
like,
bite into it.
just like that?
You have to put the whole thing in your mouth.
What? What?
Tower.
Tastes weird. I like it. It's good. It's not bad. I don't like it. But it's actually good. I like it. I feel like a dragon.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but arms of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.